Kundalini and brain detoxification process. During the Kundalini Awakening journey, you go through lot of combustion in your system. This means that every night there is lot of Kundalini processing in you, and also throughout the day, Kundalini keeps on processing. Now I will give you a brief understanding behind this detoxification process, and I will also teach you 2 techniques for getting the detoxification done on your own. And if you do these techniques, you will be free. But if you feel that you need my presence and you need to do this in my supervision, then book a 20-minute session in which I will make you do the technique in my presence, and that has the power to shift your brain waves and many changes in your heart's electromagnetic field. These changes come as a result of the technique and also due to the powerful presence of an expert in Kundalini, which I am. Alright, so you need to know that there are so many layers of toxicity building up in your system every moment. On the physical level, your cells, when they produce energy, the carbon dioxide is released from each cell as a toxic product which needs to be evacuated from your body. Now, if you are not having enough blood pressure, then this carbon dioxide remains trapped in your body. If the blood pressure is low because of your heart not pumping well, then you will not be able to release this carbon dioxide from your body. Similarly, the other gases like carbon monoxide and other trapped gases in your body do not get out on their own until and unless you are having the best of the best health. For example, if your breathing is not correct, if you are doing shallow breathing due to anxiety, stress, depression, or any kind of mental illness that you have, or any kind of brain damage that has happened to you, if your brain stem, that is the medulla and the cones where the respiratory centers are connected to the diaphragm and the vital organs like heart and your rib cage and lungs, if these respiratory centers do not respond well to the signals of breathing, then you are already under breathing or over breathing. Now these under breathing and over breathing conditions directly affect your blood quality. This means that your blood does not carry enough oxygen to the lungs, and the lungs cannot flush out carbon dioxide, and oxygenation does not happen, the exchange of gases does not happen in the lungs. Now all this will become very technical for you because already your brain is not working, but in short you can understand this, that your body is unable to flush out the toxins from your body on its own. And in the subtle layer, that is on the pranic level, the bioenergy, that is the prana, it has also the counterpart of it, that is the toxic prana. This means after combustion, whatever is left in the pranic or the prana, when it does the function of going outward and also downward, which leads to which is the force, the bioenergy force that leads to your evacuation process is also not functioning in your body. So when you do these techniques that I am going to teach you, will balance the 5 pranas in the body, and it will lead you to complete detoxification process. And when this happens, the next thing that happens is that your brain is detoxified from whatever toxins have been accumulated in your body. At the same time, on the energy level, there are positive energies and negative energies. Kundalini herself is the electrified energy. It removes lot of negative energies from your energy channels on the subtle level, on the causal level. And if that level, if that clarity you are not getting, this means that if those energies are in your electromagnetic field, in your aura, then you feel clogged, depressed, and many times you have suicidal thoughts. So if you have any kind of problem connected with stagnancy, constipation in your energy body, and that you feel as depression on the external world, then do this technique. How to do this technique? You need to do it 500 times in a day, 100 times in one set, and likewise you will do it 500 times in a day. and do it for 21 times. Now, if you are confident, you are already my student, you can implement this technique and get the results. But if you are the first timer who is watching this video for the first time, then you do it only 10 times and see how you feel. If you feel that you are getting better, then I suggest go for a booked session where you can implement this technique in my presence, learn the technique and all the other essentials that is required for you, and then you can implement and see the results for yourself. Alright, so let me teach the technique. You have to inhale from your nose and exhale from your mouth. But when you are inhaling from your nose, you have to pull the air from the environment like this with a force, like this. Like this you have to pull. So look at the technique. Inhale from your nose and you will put your hands up as you do this. For example, is if you inhale, put your hands up. If you exhale, when you exhale, you have to exhale from your mouth and put your hand down and close your fist like this. I did a few rounds for you to check, so you can easily use this technique and you will see that your heart chakra has opened, your heart center has opened, you are feeling openness in your lungs, you are feeling openness in your throat, your brain fog has gone away with after doing 100 rounds. So do it, and if you need that during your Kundalini Awakening journey, there are a lot of other issues as well, then connect to my team and book a session. And for that, you have to go through the process of learning the techniques and implementing on your own. Thank you and bye-bye.